Welcome to Indian Institute of Public Administration. You're watching Governance at Work. Good governance matters because it shapes the way we live, ensuring fairness, accountability, and opportunities for all. The government introduces new schemes and policies with one clear purpose: to improve people's life, to respond to their needs, and to build a stronger future together. Through Governance at Work, we bring these initiatives to you, so you know what's been done, how it can benefit you, and how, by participating, we all can move together towards Viksit Bharat, a developed and inclusive India. In this episode today, we will talk about one such scheme of the government that you should know. But before that, let's begin with the headlines. India has a scheme to empower the skilled artisans and the traditional craftsmen, that is Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman Yojana. IIPA conducted a program on generation of own source revenue by Gram Panchayats. IIPA evaluates the impact of Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Maan-dhan scheme on unorganized workers. Subhash Chandra Lal Das, IAS Secretary MSME, was honored for innovative implementation at the 17th Civil Service Day 2025 held this year. India's strength lies not only in its modern industries but also in the hands of its skilled artisans, the traditional craftsmen and women who preserve our cultural heritage through their work. To recognize and empower them, the Government of India has launched the PM Vishwakarma scheme. Launched by the Prime Minister on the occasion of Vishwakarma Jayanti, the PM Vishwakarma scheme, also known as Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman Yojana, is a central sector scheme spearheaded by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises in collaboration with the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and the Department of Financial Services. It is fully funded by the central government with an allocated outlay of Rs 13,000 crores spread over 5 years. Its purpose is simple yet powerful: to give full dignity, recognition and economic strength to the traditional artisans and craft people. Why was it introduced? It was introduced to support and preserve generational craftsmanship and centuries-old traditional skills maintained within families and communities, and to uplift marginalized artisans, many from OBC, SC and ST communities, by helping them gain recognition, skills, financial backing and market access. Its aim was to help to transition artisans from the informal sector into the formal MSME ecosystem, enabling sustainable livelihood and wider market reach. By enhancing the quality and marketing accessibilities of artisans' products, the PM Vishwakarma Yojana seeks to integrate these skilled individuals into both domestic and global value chain. So who are the beneficiaries? Artisans engaged in 18 traditional trades, from carpenter, boat maker, blacksmith, hammer and toolkit maker, goldsmith, potter, sculptor, stone breaker, cobbler, mason, weaver, doll and toy maker, barber, garland maker, washerman, tailor and fishing net maker.
हाथ के हुनर से, औजारों से परंपरागत रूप से काम करने वाले लाखों परिवारों के लिए पीएम विश्वकर्मा योजना उम्मीद की एक नई किरण बनकर आ रही है.
These are the Vishwakarmas of our nation whose skills are passed down through generations. Every registered artisan receives a PM Vishwakarma certificate and an ID card recognizing them officially and aiding seamless access to scheme benefits. The initial basic training is of 5 to 7 days and the advanced training is of 15 days or longer. The beneficiaries receive a stipend of 500 rupees per day during their training. At the start of the basic training, beneficiaries receive e-vouchers worth 15,000 rupees to purchase modern tools and equipments. In the first tranche, up to 1 lakh rupees at 5% interest repayable over 18 months. In the second tranche, up to 2 lakh rupees subject to conditions such as timely repayment, digital adoption or completion of advanced training. Repayable over 30 months. The government provides an interest subvention of 8%, making it affordable. Beneficiaries earn ₹1 cashback per eligible digital transaction up to 100 transactions per month, encouraging digital payment adoption. Assistance with quality certification, branding, promotion, and onboarding on e-commerce platforms like GEM. Support for participating in exhibition fairs and promotional activities to access broader market. It enlists artisans on the Udyam Assist platform as MSME entrepreneurs. Registration is via common service centers, free of charge, using Aadhaar-based biometric authentication. How is it being implemented? Registration camps are held in various regions. For instance, Chandigarh registered over 24,000 artisans through targeted camps. In Pune district, July 2025, 29,000 artisans have registered. Around 6,000 completed training with loan approval for around 998 artisans, disbursement of 10 crores rupees, and 964 toolkits distributed. As per the data, 29,99,739 artisans have registered so far. Who can apply? Industrial units. It's specifically targeted for the MSME sectors. Training program eligibility is open to individuals from school dropouts to those holding an MTech degree. PM Vishwakarma Yojana is an endeavor to uplift the Vishwakarmas of India who work tirelessly with their hands and tools, connecting them to the mainstream of development and making them self-reliant. The scheme provides support to artisans and craft people in rural and urban areas across India and will aid the poverty elevation efforts of the government. A 3-day training of trainers on generation own source revenue by Gram Panchayat was organized by IIPA from July 9 to 11, 2025. It was sponsored by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Government of India. Honorable Union Minister and Chairman of IIPA, Dr. Jitendra Singh, inaugurated the program. The objective of the program was to make participants understand the policy framework and implement capacity building initiatives to enhance the financial autonomy of the panchayats. Around 71 participants attended the program. It was coordinated by IIPA faculty Dr. Sakit Bihari. IIPA recently evaluated a pension scheme for unorganized workers. The Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Maan-dhan scheme is a voluntary contributory pension scheme for India's unorganized worker. It ensures financial security after retirement by providing a minimum assured pension of 3,000 rupees per month, targeting over 42 crore workers across diverse occupations. The scheme, evaluated by IIPA faculty Dr. Gadadhar Mahapatra, studied across 6 states, highlights both achievements and challenges. Key recommendations were made. The report underlines that effective implementation and innovative reforms can ensure real social security for millions of unorganized workers. For more details and the complete video on this scheme, you may see the link mentioned in the description below. As a part of Civil Services Day celebration, the Government of India presents the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration. These awards were instituted to recognize, reward, and motivate districts and civil servants for outstanding work in public administration. The awards highlight initiatives that have brought measurable improvement in the delivery of public services, innovative practices, and citizen-centric governance. Over the years, the scope has been expanded, now including districts, state organizations, and central ministries for exemplary implementation of flagship schemes, innovations, and effective governance model. Winners receive a trophy, citation, and a cash award, which serves not just as recognition but also as encouragement for others to replicate successful practices. At present, the awards are divided into a few categories, including holistic development of districts, aspirational block program, and innovation in public administration. And further, under innovation category, there are 2 awards for central level initiatives. This award seeks to recognize innovations at central level from central government organizations, ministries for various innovations in any field of administration. This year, on the occasion of the 17th Civil Services Day, Mr. Subhash Chandra Lal Das, Secretary MSME 1992 Batch IS Officer, was honored for innovative implementation of the PM Vishwakarma Yojana, the same scheme about which we discussed in the beginning of this video, which supports traditional artisans and craftsmen through training, financial aid and market linkages. The Prime Minister gave this award to Mr. Das. That's all for this edition. We hope you found this informative and engaging. We'll be back soon with another spotlight on a key government scheme, simplified, explained and brought to life. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered. This is Governance at Work from Indian Institute of Public Administration.